Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legally Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be covering the topic of trespass to land. Let's look at the basic definition of trespass to land. Trespass to land is basically an interference with the possession of the land without lawful justification. And here I stress on the term possession. In trespass, the interference is direct and through some tangible object. If the interference is indirect, then it becomes a nuisance. Let's understand this through an example. Now I plant a tree on my neighbor's land. That becomes trespass. But if I plant a tree on my land, but the branches or the roots escape into my neighbor's land, that becomes nuisance. Now the main element is that you have to interfere with the possession of the land. However, if a person has justification to enter into the premises of another person, then he cannot be held liable for trespass. Trespass is basically a wrong against possession and not ownership. Possession is basically I have the land with me. I am not the owner of the land. Let's understand this through an example of a case. Now the famous case is Madhav Vittal Kudwa versus Madhav Das Vallabh Das. In here, the defendant was a tenant of the plaintiff. He used to park his car in the compound of the plaintiff's building. Now the plaintiff sued the defendant for trespass because he was parking his car in the compound. The court held that the defendant is not liable for trespass as the tenant had the right to use the building, even parking his car in the premises of the building. Now trespass is actionable per se. The plaintiff does not have to prove any damages per se because trespass in itself is a wrong. Let's talk about trespass ab initio. Now, if the person under some authority of law enters the premises but he abuses that authority and commits some wrongful act, then he is held liable for trespass ab initio. That is, he is held liable from the beginning of the act. Now law presumes that he had gone there with a wrongful purpose in mind. Hence he is held trespass ab initio. Now the defendant must be guilty of the positive act of misfeasance and not non-feasance. Non-feasance is basically an omission, but trespass ab initio requires misfeasance, that is a wrongful act. Let's take the very famous case of 6 carpenters. Now these 6 carpenters entered in a hotel. They ordered wine and bread. They ate it, but after which they refused to pay the bill. Now they were not held trespass ab initio because it was a mere non-feasance. It was just a non-feasance because there was no wrongful act committed by the 6 carpenters. Thank you. I hope the video was insightful.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalitrust.in. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about various law-related educational videos. Thank you for watching us and have a good day.